Hey there, so I've had a couple of questions over the past 2 days about how to generate that link that you can submit into Canvas or share with others who you might want to be able to view your work. So there's a couple of things to do and a couple of things to consider. But first of all, be sure you publish your site so that all recent changes are integrated. And this just lets me see the draft and my currently published. I'm going to go ahead and say publish. And next I'm going to select this little icon in the upper right part of the top ribbon that looks like a person with a plus sign that says share with others. And here we see there's a couple of things. It says share with people in groups. If I add somebody, that would let them be either an editor or a published viewer, but we don't really need to have somebody with those kind of privileges added to your site. It's okay if you do add me as a viewer or editor, that's fine, but if you want to share it more broadly than that, I recommend selecting down here links vary, change, and then we've got draft restricted, only people added can open with this link. That's for the draft, but I've already published my site, so I'm going to keep mine with published site, like this is where I'm going to do my work. And right now it says anyone on the internet can find and open, which is fine with me. But if you select that downward arrow, you see restricted. That's an option where only people added can open with the link. So that's if you just want to restrict it to only a select couple of individuals. If you select UNCG, anyone at UNCG can find and open. Or you can just put it out on the public. So any of those are fine. And I'm just going to leave mine on public and select done. So now you should be able to go into the upper right corner, click on this little picture of the link and copy your link. And I'm just going to test it by opening a new browser. I'm going to open Firefox and see what happens when I'm just opening it up as a regular user. And there is my site. You can see there are no editing privileges. It's just a regular link that someone can view and open. So I hope that helps.